Hello! In front of me I have Garmin Venu Sq2 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. And once you see the Garmin logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.